Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Design Hut. Today's topic is pictorial logo design. So let's start and make a pictorial logo. So first of all, I will change here some colors, and then I will go for the main design, which is pictorial logos design. So let's start. First of all, I will change its color. Sorry, here is some problem. Okay, here is some problem. That's why. Yes, you can get it. Now I will change this color as which color will be perfect here. I'll make it green. I'll make it green, and this one should be the uh, I will make it red. I'll make it red, and this one should be the green. And that's why I choose the green. Choose the green, and this one should be the red. So I choose the red, and this one copy to it, and this one should be the which color. I will take it red, make it red, and this one should be the green. So change this color as green. So you can see here I change this color very nicely. So and then we have to edit here. Pictorial, pictorial logo design. So now I will select this and turn it on the middle. Then I have to save it here. I am saving it, and now I will go for the export and export as PNG format. So PNG format, and OK, and replace it with the first. So here go for the new file for the pictorial logo, and yes, here is some template. So I will take 10 into 10 inch to create it. So I get my artboard, and I have to place a picture. So I place a picture, and I will take a picture from here. Then I will edit it. Which picture will be the perfect here? Sorry. Now I'm going to the my very new. Yes. So I will choose from here. I'll choose from here. I will. Yes, you got it. Yeah. Yes, you can see here. I got my. Yes. Now I will fix it. I will make a lock on it. Then I will cut down this portion. Then how it look like, you will show. Okay, you can see here. I'll make it 0. Yes, you can see, make a anchor here, then make a anchor here. Then I have to, yeah, then, okay, then I have to, okay, then I have to choose here and sorry, I will make it here. Yeah, then here, then here, then you have to take care, then here, then I will make it here, sorry, then here, sorry, I made a mistake here, okay, then I will make a stroke here, make it one, and then I will go here, go for here, and yeah, you can see, okay, and now, sorry, I will take everything here, now I will make it, so go for the unlock all, and this design should be removed, and you can see here, and sorry, you see here, this is a pictorial logo, and you have to change here, make a name here, make a name here, which name will be the perfect, Gonder, Gonder, so give this and make, and I will, sorry, I will go for the create outline, and now I will go for the ungroup this. Then I will take those on here and those on here. Now how it look like? I think it's look pretty good, and I will change this color. This color should be the ash, sorry, should be the ash. Then it should be the white, and this color will remain the same. And here you can see how it look like. I think it's look pretty good. This is a pictorial logo you can see here, and you have to make it on your home. So today's class is at the end, and I will show you the more things on the next class. So please to subscribe my channel and be with us. Thank you all.